Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on eToro. First, open the eToro app or website and sign in to your account. Make sure you have funds available in your balance because you'll need cash to buy crypto. Now, go to the Discover section. At the top, click on Crypto to see the full list of available cryptocurrencies. You can also use the search bar if you're looking for a specific coin. For example, let's select Ethereum. From here, click on Trade. Next, enter the amount you'd like to invest. The minimum amount is usually $10. You also have the option to set a stop loss, leverage, and take profit if you'd like. Then choose your order type. Like market order means the trade will execute instantly at the current price. Next, limit order means the trade will only go through when the price reaches the level you set. Once everything looks good, click on buy. Your order will be placed, and you can view your new crypto investment by going to the portfolio section in the left menu. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto on eToro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.